Hi, I'm Stacey McGuigan with Everyday Celebrations, Event Planning in Sewell, New Jersey. And today I'm going to show you how to make a really creative place card for your Christmas time dinner. What you're going to do is buy a box of cookie cutters of various shapes. You're going to find really great tissue paper. You're going to lay your cookie cutter in the center, wrap it, tie it off with some string, and then you're going to make your name tag. Use any kind of paper that's Christmas related, red, green, any kind of print. Write the name on the card. Attach it to the bow, and then place it right on top of the plate. So this way when your guests arrive for dinner, they'll be able to find where they're going to be sitting for the night. Again, my name is Stacey with Everyday Celebrations, and I hope that this tip helped you.